Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video we will create a program that will ask the user to give 6 names, and then the program will sort. We'll have an option to sort the names in ascending order and descending order using C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here the 3 library file stdio.h for input output, sharp include conio.h for input output, in string.h. So we have here main, it is the starting point of every C program, begin. And then we have here several variables, name, 6, 100, 2-dimensional array, and temp, 1-dimensional array which has the size of 100. So we have here the title of our program, sorting names in C, new line. And then we are asking give 6 names using for loop statement. Here we will accept the names of the user, and then it will prompt the user 1 for sorting the name in ascending order, 2 for sorting the names in descending order. So 1 here, it will perform sorting in ascending order here, string compare. And then this one is for sorting the names in descending order, accepting the names in descending order. This is the code, no, comparison of names, no, in string copy. Ascending order here, and then this is for descending order. It will list down the names here after it will be sorted here in descending order. And then this is if no option cannot sort invalid key, no selection. And then end the program that tells the user that the program has been ended. So in this line of code we are have for ascending order to nested looping statement, compare the names in string copy for a temporary file. The same thing in descending order here. Okay, so I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free. Let us compile and run. Okay, give 6 names: Jake, Mario, Lydia, Jose, Anna, Merlita. What sorting algorithm? Let's say ascending order. So we have Anna, Jake, Jose, Lydia, Mario, and the program. Run again. Maria, Yulo, Pedro, Jose, Arman, Noel. Let's see number 2, sorting in descending order. So we have Yulo, Pedro, Noel, Maria, and Jose, and a program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on sorting names in C. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.